Welcome back to the Dragon Flow Lab. I am on site here in Ocean Beach. Anyway, we're going to be going over forearm rolls. So forearm rolls will look like this. And I'll do the other side. There you go. Alright, so my name's Paul. Nice to meet you. Alright, so the forearm roll is actually pretty crazy. I would say this is an intermediate move. Because essentially the staff is going to it's going to come up, do a full circle around you, and at this last, before it hits its full 360, it's actually going to come down right here. And the movement for this is we're going to go up. You're doing your chi roll like this, right? And you're actually going to go up to the very tip of your palm, right here, to your hand. See where you're putting it? Right here. So you're actually going to come up and do your palm, but at the same time this thing is rotating. So by the time it hits your palm, you should be probably like a quarter into your rotation, I'd say. So if a full rotation is this, by the time it hits your palm, you should be 15 minutes into it, right? If we're doing it like a clock. So it's actually going to come up. You can actually hold your hand on one side of the staff like this and kind of guide yourself and be like, okay, this is going to go behind me. Now, right here, as it's turning, you're gonna have to do that trust fall thing again. Remember that in the first set of videos, you had to trust fall, that this momentum is going to carry it over your fingers right here. So right here, as I'm coming up, there's a trust fall. And then I'm actually doing this motion. So I'm coming up with the staff above my hand, above my palm. It's going to go over my fingers, and it's going to rotate, and it's going to roll back towards me. And this is where I'm going to keep it up right here. So it's going to roll back towards me right here. I'm going to keep it up, and I have to wait for another rotation, another half or 15-degree rotation or whatever, for it to actually start coming down again to where I want it rolling away from me, right? There's a rolling away from you and there's a rolling towards you action that we covered on both the chi roll and the reverse chi roll. So it's kind of that same thing. I'm going to come up, trust fall across my fingers. It's going to roll towards me. And it has to rotate enough so that it's going to come back down. And then you're going to chicken wing, and then give yourself on your chicken wing. You're going to come back down again. That's what puts you back at your chi roll. So we're going to do that again, all right? So we're going to come up, pass your fingers towards you, keep it up, chicken wing, and then back down again. It's actually, it took a while for me to actually get this move. It's kind of like I'm coming up this way. It's almost like I'm pointing, but with my palm down. And then I'm coming, like I'm doing this little, like shoe fly, don't bother me kind of ordeal. And then after that, as I'm coming up, I'm doing the shoe fly, and then I'm coming with my chicken wing, and then I'm down. Cool? All right. So on the other side, that would be the same thing. And this took me a while, trust me. If you have to, you'll come up past your fingers. You can actually palm up. As it goes across your fingers, I can palm up. You see that exchange right there? I'm coming across my fingers. This is the trust fall moment. It's spinning. Now I can palm up. I can keep it up there, and then I can actually just, you place it on your shoulders, and then this is where it's going to roll down. All right, cool. So some things that are hard about this move that I've noticed from other people is that they don't have enough rotation as it's going around. So they're up here. They're like, oh, when is it going to come back down? When is it coming back down? So you remember, if you want to see it without it spinning, it's up, full rotation, and then at this time, that's when it comes back down to you. When it's almost ending this full rotation. So right here, up, almost a full rotation, let it come down, and give yourself that track where the dragon staff is going to flow, okay? Cool. It's a very hard move. So I'm coming up, trust falling across my fingers, doing this shoe fly, chicken wing, and down. And some things you can do to add to this move, you can add rotation to it. So right here, I'm adding rotation. I can turn into a Superman, I can come back down, whatever you want to do with it. And then you can actually just spin with it, keeping a continuous spin on it, maintaining your center, all kinds of stuff. Cool? All right, I hope that helps out, and I hope that helps you get this move down, and I'll see you when I see you. All right, bye.